Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption game not launching, crashing, lagging, black screen freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. But you just have to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Now once your PS5 restarts, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless to beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you have to switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. For that, highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update option. Now if any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to proceed ahead. If not, next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings and click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Red Dead Redemption game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Red Dead Redemption game and check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Now choose language options in the left sidebar. Then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other options. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next is to reinstall Red Dead Redemption game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Red Dead Redemption again to check if the error is fixed or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.